What's up, guys? It's been a minute since we've done an update on the building and what we've been doing. We did get some stuff done. We have been cleaning up a whole bunch, organizing everything, planning stuff out. But we did one major thing, which is put this ceiling up. It was a huge process. This is all carpet. It sounds great in here now.
Even though you can hear the wind, like maybe, but overall the sound is much more dampened, consistent in here right now.
No reverb, no echo. There's a little bit of touch-up we had to do, obviously, on the corners and edges. We have to trim it, but the idea here is to make it kind of disappear into the ceiling, so we put lights below it. It's just gonna help us sound, make it seem more of like there's nothing, like emptiness above you. It's kind of open, so
it's gonna feel almost as if you're outside. It's kind of the theme.
Yeah.
You know.
So then we got the bar planned out. The only thing now that sucks is like we don't have any money, so trying to figure out how to do these things, and that's
without spending money.
Yeah, so that's why we haven't been doing much. Between balancing work, school, family, relationships, and the cars, and making content and editing it, very minimal time, if any. Like we're cleaning up around here and stuff. So, but come winter break, we'll both be off, so we'll have some time, hopefully, and some money. We'll see. If anybody has materials they want to donate, let us know.
Yeah, we've been making use. I mean, we've been going to like estate sales, garage sales, picking shit out of dumpsters. It's not like we went to Home Depot. Everything is mismatched lumber.
Yeah, but we're making it all work.
We're getting. I mean, it's part of what makes it unique is it's kind of just an assorted random pieces of St. Louis that are now going to be part of this cafe.
And as far as the garage, we have obviously
new toys.
New toys. Well, I sold my old car, got a new car, which is the Austin. Jacob got this E30.
Yeah, I sold my old car, the E39.
Oh yeah.
So that's sold, that's gone.
5 Series silver one.
I have a nice little E30 now.
Yeah.
Fun car.
So we ended up making a little bit of money on the deals.
Yeah.
Which was nice. And then we also have some cars that better represent what we're doing, and they're cooler and more interesting and more fun to work on. And we thought it'd be a good image. Alec has been working on his car, basically replacing all of the rust. You can see he's cut off his whole back panel. He's got a new lip. He got this welded in. He's working on it. He's learning. So
just a quick fun little thing to think about as far as the garage. We have Keaton's new Austin.
Aston Martin.
Yeah.
Austin America.
That represents our 60s.
Oh yeah, this is cool. Yeah, go ahead.
Alec has the
240Z.
The Z. This is kind of like the 70s.
It is.
We have the E30. That's kind of our representation of the 80s.
Mm-hmm.
We've had the E36. That's the 90s. Early 2000s and the M3. And
2010.
2010, we have this truck right here. Soon we can have an entire century's worth of automotive history under one roof.
That'll be pretty cool. And you can actually, it's just cool looking at how everything evolves. This junk, all $20, I think we got all of it. Yard sales and stuff, junk around.
I mean, for instance, the carpet on the ceiling, we got for $15 at an estate sale?
It was an auction that never sold at auction, so I gave him $15 for it.
Yeah.
We've been finding big deals, spending minimal money. We've been scrapping all the metal too, which is nice.
Metal. Those ramps we used, a buddy basically gave them to us because we helped him work on his car.
Yeah.
Shout out Wazzy.
Wazzy's our guy. Obviously, we have some cleaning and organizing to do. We're still planning on doing the gym in the basement. That's not something that we need to do first. We're not making money from it. It's not really in the way.
It's kind of I don't want to say a last priority, but it's definitely not high on our priority list.
Exactly. So, but I'd love to get it done.
It would be cool. And we could make money off it potentially.
But all in all, haven't been getting a lot done, obviously. But we do plan on getting.
We've been getting things done, just not on the building itself.
Yeah.
Don't worry. I mean, if you're on our YouTube, you can see we've been putting out content for you guys. And, we've been trying to get active. One thing we've definitely done is become more active in St. Louis community. Last week we co-hosted our first car meet, which is pretty cool. I think throughout the span, probably 20 different cars showed up.
Yeah. We had
Maybe
about
a few
20 cars,
more.
yeah.
I think 10 to 15 went on a little cruise afterwards. So
We did that with
STL Meats.
STL Cars and Meats on Instagram, yeah.
So we're on Instagram. If you don't follow us, we post a lot of cool stuff. I mean, we have cool cars.
Yeah.
We clean them up, and we see other cool cars that we post as well.
Yeah. Once again, I want to give a shout out to everybody that donated to our GoFundMe. It's still going, helping out our project, but we've basically gone through obviously all the funds for it with what we've got.
Yeah.
And we're kind of at a standstill. So if you're still one of our fans and followers, like anything helps. Just if you can, that'd be awesome. And I mean, like if everyone we knew gave us $1, we'd have enough money to finish this kind of deal, But it's hard to do that. So
yeah. Either way, thank you. Thanks for watching. Still, that helps too. Subscribing, commenting,
yeah,
just being a fan.
trying to get to that 1,000 subscribers, that'd be huge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because then we can make money
Yeah.
off
Yeah.
ads.
If we can make
We
money
can
off of
monetize our
that'd be
YouTube.
huge. Yeah, that'd solve our problems. But anyways, thanks guys.
Peace.